Hello guys, so this is a simple video, short video just to wrap up what you have learned so far about simultaneous equations. Okay, so simultaneous equation, you know that from the geometrical exploration over here, like you can see here from this curve and a line. So simultaneous equations are two or more equations that are drawn on the same page like this. So for example, in this drawing, in this picture, you can see this is a curve and this is a line. When this curve and line drawn together under one Cartesian coordinate, you can see there are two meeting points, right? So two meeting points, or we can also call them as intersection, where this curve and this line meets. So for example, the intersections here are in negative 3.0 and 4.7. So this is our intersection. And in simultaneous equations, when these two curve here meet, this is your solution. So your solution is when x equals to negative 3 and when x equals to when x equals to 4. So this is your solutions for these simultaneous equations. This curve is x squared minus 2x minus 15, and this line is y equals to negative x negative 3. So this is very easy to see. But as you can see, by drawing or plotting this curve and this line all together, this is not very effective to find this solution. Okay, even if you can also use this method if you want, but it will take some time for you to find the solution because you have to draw kind of precise curve and this line over here. So we also learn how to use two methods. First, it is substitution, and the second one is elimination. Okay, so basically you can use these two methods whenever you want to find a solution for simultaneous equations, right? You can use substitution when you see equations like this, when the degree of the simultaneous equations you have isn't equal. For example, like you see this one on this screen. The first equation is x squared, and then the second equation is just x. Okay, so the degree of the x here isn't equal, so you have to use substitution, because if you use elimination, you cannot eliminate this x between different powers. And you can use elimination when the equations are on the same degree or on the same power. For example, this is just x, and then the second equation also just x, probably x minus 3 and x plus 5. Then you can use elimination. So this is what we have learned in the first week, right, about simultaneous equation. Basically just two equations that are drawn on the same Cartesian coordinates or coordinate planes over here. When you find the meeting points or intersection, that is your solution, and that's it. That is simultaneous equations.